What's up? I'm travel photographer Brendan Benson of Brendan'sAdventures.com, and I'm spending New Year's Eve here in Budapest in style at the Aria Hotel Budapest. So about once a month, I like to spoil myself. I like to have a really nice place and try to work in some stories and photos into that stay as well. So it's New Year's or the day before New Year's Eve here in Budapest. I have 4 days, and since I was just in Budapest less than a month ago, I thought that I would do a bit of a luxury stay. I do a little bit of a New Year's video surrounding that luxury stay. So I'm here at the Aria Hotel Budapest, which just opened, I believe, in March. So less than a year ago. It is absolutely stunning. It's already rated the #1 hotel on TripAdvisor in Budapest. It's that good. And I'm looking forward to seeing what all the fuss is about. I've just entered my room. I'll show you around, and then we'll explore things here at the hotel, like the spa, maybe see fireworks from New Year's, maybe have a drink on the rooftop terrace, and do some other things. So let me show you around the room a little bit. This is the basic layout of the room. The door's right there. And you've got the bathroom, which is just beautiful. It's not massive, but it's beautiful. Look, it's got this great mirror. It's got a cool chandelier. So yeah, it's quite beautiful. Then you walk into the main room and you've got closet space for your fancy clothing. You've got a desk, which is important for me because I can work. They have an iPad that comes into each room, and that has a subscription to New York Times. So you don't actually need, to have a newspaper or waste the paper because it's got a subscription to the New York Times right there. And then this is the main room itself. It's an absolute stunner. It's beautiful. I love the decor. Nice bed, kind of fancy lamps all over the place. Nice artwork. Absolutely beautiful design and very different than a lot of the hotels you'll see in Europe. It's just a stunner. You've got the big screen TV here that's kind of in a fireplace. Nice sitting area, some books. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I've said that a number of times. I'm looking forward to staying here. It's been a tough 3 weeks. I've been working my ass off. I've been really shooting a lot, traveling a lot of trains. I was just on the overnight train last night, in fact, and I'm exhausted. So I'm looking forward to a day of relaxation, maybe a day for New Year's, having a bit of a party and good time, and then maybe some time at the spa here at the hotel, some good food here, and yeah. Let's spoil ourselves a little bit. I'm obviously going to bring the cameras around and take some photos of it all as well. Let's do it. So I had an absolutely fantastic time here at the Aria Hotel Budapest over New Year's. It was exactly what I needed. I didn't go wild, I didn't party, I didn't go crazy. I just relaxed. I didn't even work, really. I just relaxed. I went to the spa 3 or 4 times. I went walking around the city a little bit without even taking my camera. I didn't take more than 20 photos the whole time I was here, and when I did, they were in the hotel, and I just relaxed. I watched movies, I caught up on sleep, and man, I cannot tell you how good it felt. This hotel has become one of my top 5 favorite hotels. It's just such a cool atmosphere. There's like 40 something rooms, or less than that even, I'm not sure exactly, but it's perfect. It's a small hotel. There's only like 40 rooms, and it doesn't feel busy. It does feel relaxing, and it's got nice little areas to it. The downstairs area where there's breakfast kind of has a bit of a hostel feel to it almost, because it's such a small community at breakfast, and the staff is so welcoming and nice, and it's just comfortable. It's very homey feeling. It does feel kind of like home. And then you have the rooftop bar, which is really beautiful. I mean, you're literally a stone's throw away from St. Stephen's Basilica. You can also see the Parliament buildings, the Ferris wheel, Cittadella, all of that from up there. So going up there for a cocktail in the evening is great. And I can't tell you how good it feels just to be able to relax. And I'm so glad that I treated myself to this. I am so glad that I did it, because when I got to Budapest, I was exhausted. I was tired. I was working really hard. I was in like 6 different destinations in 12 days, which is too much. And I was too busy shooting, and it was tough. And now I've had 4 days here, and I feel completely rejuvenated. I just feel so good. I feel so good about everything. And I'm so ready to take on the world again. So I want to give a big thanks to the Aria Hotel Budapest, because this place is cool, and I can't wait to come back here. I can't wait to go to Prague, because there's one of these hotels in Prague as well, and so I'll probably be going there in a couple months. And they're actually opening a hotel in Toronto called Hotel X, I believe. And if it's anything like this hotel, or if it's anything like the other Library Collection hotels, like the ones in New York City, it's going to be awesome. So hopefully I get to check that one out as well. Yeah, as I mentioned, my time here is up. I feel fully rejuvenated, and I feel ready to take on the world again. I'm off again for now. It's going to be a full month and a bit worth of hard travel. I've got something like 10 different destinations in the next 30 days, including the start of my Morocco workshop. And that's going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to that. I'm also looking forward to Greece. I'm looking forward to Romania. I'm looking forward to the 1 or 2 stops I'm going to be making in Italy. And I'm looking forward to Hong Kong. I have a small assignment in Hong Kong. And so this is going to be a crazy couple months. And I'm really excited for it. And when that's all said and done, I'm just hoping that there's a place like the Aria Hotel here in Budapest that I can relax again, because it's been so good here. Anyways, guys, we're off. This has been basically a photography-free video, just showing you the hotel and how cool this place is. The next videos will be photography related and travel photography related. My next destination is Brasov, Romania, where I'll be visiting Bran Castle and the old city of Brasov. And then I'm off to Bucharest, I'm off to Sofia, Bulgaria, and then down into Greece. So I hope you stay tuned, I hope you stay subscribed, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.